Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy homemade soap. All you need is some dry flower of your choice, essential oil, and Shea Butter Soap Base. And then you also have to pick a mold of your choice. So you want to chop the Shea Butter Soap Base into small cubes so it's very easy to melt. For this homemade soap, I've picked these two molds and I've put dry flowers in before pouring in the soap base. The first step is to melt the Shea Butter Soap Base. I will put it in the microwave and melt it at 20-second intervals until it is completely melted. You want to go pretty quickly, adding essential oils or fragrance if you'd like to, or you can have it unscented. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of rose essential oils. Stir it in really well. And it's ready to pour. And now we're going to pour it into the soap molds. And I'm going to put a little bit more flowers on top. In order to avoid little air bubbles from forming on the top of the soap, I'm going to spritz a little bit of alcohol. Look at this amazingly beautiful soap, homemade with real rose petals. It's just beautiful.